Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to manage, edit and add blog posts in Wix. So basically what you have to do is simply go to your Wix dashboard and simply click on blog, and as you can see here you have an overview. You have posts, comments, categories, tags, writers, monetizations and analytics. So basically what you have to do is simply wait until this loads up, and before that you have to go to your Wix website editor and click on the add elements button, and then simply go to blog, and as you can see here you can simply add all your blogs. So you can simply go to add the blog list, and basically this will be added to your Wix website, and then here you can, as you can see, you can create posts. So if you want, you can click on create post and start creating your blog. So basically that's the easiest part. That's the main things to do in order to add your posts, your blog posts. As you can see, you can add your title and everything. Of course here you have to add whatever you want, and after that you have to simply click on publish. As you can see here in the top right corner you're gonna have this publish button, so simply click on that, and then if you go to your website and then after you add your blog posts, so elements, so you have to add this element here, or you can go on and add this one here. So you can simply drag and drop it, and basically you're gonna see all your blogs from here that you just created. As you can see, I have this one here that I can easily edit. You're gonna see them here. So as you can see, it's right here. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.